So we got a par 4, 376 yards.
Oh, dry. Nice. Down the fairway. All right, middle of the fairway. Nice.
A few moments later.
Oh,
It's leaking.
wait, what's the word?
It's about like 115. Oh, great shot.
Give me a
shot.
knock.
Oh, real short. Okay. Look. Ah, you. Tie spinner.
Yeah.
Yeah. Go in. Go in. Ooh! Okay. And then turn.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine.
Well, they're yours.
Not really fine.
I like it. I
Might
like
be
it a lot.
nice.
Cheers to the bogey.
Cheers. Open a pack. Inferno X.
Crack a pack, rip it, flip it, pull that hit, don't blink, you'll miss it. Chase that card, feel the thrill. One more pack, you know the drill.
Absolutely nothing.